Hey guys, welcome back to
Hi.
Cooking with Mom and Maddie.
Maddie. Mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
We are making Hungry Jack.
pancakes.
No.
Or you could make
Any kind of name, but we like this one. Light and fluffy. We like that.
Or you could make I'm sorry, I can't do this. Hey everyone, it's Mommy and Maddie. And today we are going to be making Hungry Jack.
Jack is hungry.
Hungry
Pancakes.
Jack.
Doesn't matter about Hungry Jack. Just let's get to the pancakes.
Or you can
we
make,
like this.
Or you can make waffles. It does not matter. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So first, you want to get your pan.
And we're using spray.
Yes, because you don't want it to stick. And then you want to.
And I have tried the oils. Doesn't
work as much. So just put the spray.
Not in the eyes,
No.
just right here. Okay, good deal.
Yeah.
And it's getting ready.
Mhm.
And I put it low,
Yeah.
nice and easy.
Start it out a little low.
Okay. And Jack is hungry, so we're
let's
going to
put
go
it in.
through this. And we're going to, now how much do I use? Why, very nice that you ask.
Well, I didn't ask.
Oh. A lot of times you don't, you just do. Okay, so we're just going to go through this whole motion here. Oh, that's nice and fluffy.
Okay.
All right, down it in there, please.
You do it whole. Wait. This is 1 cup. Put 1 cup of the Hungry Jack.
Jack is hungry. Okay, and a nice spoon always helps. And you can add water or milk.
And we're going to choose milk because it adds more of a fluffier texture.
Right. Let's pour that sucker in here. And usually I add it, but we're kind of going low in here.
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right, so you just stir it.
Of course.
And let's add more.
Okay, let's do it.
Goodbye,
milk.
Done. You can wear it as well if you like.
Sorry. And then just mix it till you get a great texture of a liquid. So as you can see, we want kind of a liquid texture and kind of a more thick texture, so that is good. We added a little bit more water. We added milk and water, but that's fine. So yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to add
we're gonna
with
make
a big spoon.
We're gonna make it into like a pancake shape, but we're gonna make mini pancakes.
Yeah, I do. I like the little things.
Yeah.
All right. So here's what we're doing. We're dumping it in there.
Yep.
Well, not dumping. Just kind of laying it in there. Okay. And now we are going
to turn it to
see that it's going to have little air
bubbles
going.
Yeah.
That means you can
flip it over.
Okay.
So let's get our flipper, and we'll be right back with you.
Now, with hand warmer, I'm showing you how different it is.
Yeah, when it looks
it's bubbling up.
And it looks more bigger and
then
doesn't look more
notice.
liquidy. So now we're going to take our flipper.
Hand warmer.
Alright, so we're going to take our flipper, and we're going to flip it over. Just super quick, just like that.
Yeah, just like that. Go ahead. Complete it. Thank you.
Oh, that looks good.
Yes, you're doing great. You're doing great. Here, let me try to... The mommy will help out as I'm putting it in.
So as you can see, I helped out and I made it look pretty. So here they are, as you can see, right here. They look good. They're looking good. I think they look good. But yeah.
They look edible.
Yeah, they do. So that's all that matters.
Right.
You know?
Or the dogs, someone will eat it other than yourself if you don't like it. Okay, so we're going to make a few more of these beauts.
And we'll be right back with you.
Okay.
So this is how they turned out. They
Beautiful.
look pretty good. I'm not going to brag. I'm joking. Mine are horrible, but I did learn how to do it from my mom. So, and you're going to learn how to do it from us.
Yes.
So, yeah, that's how you do it. Now
and
we're
then
going
put it onto the plate.
Yep. Take it out. Put it on the plate.
And remember, I put it on low, so we don't want to get it burnt, which I've done quite a few times.
Good job.
You can always get the hand warmer out.
Okay, there you go.
All right, there you go.
So now we have all of it onto the plate.
Yeah.
It's good. We can show you what it's going to look like.
It's edible.
Yeah. And now we're going to
Okay.
try it. Do you want to try it?
Why, sure. You can always put butter on it.
Or
which,
syrup,
I
or
don't really
anything
like.
that you want.
Or you can put lovely
syrup.
Aunt Jemima's, whoever you want. Jack. Just
Hungry Jack.
Hungry Jack.
Okay. So let's do it. We're just going to put a little bit of syrup on it. Go ahead.
Little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
I don't like to drench it. Some people disagree. They love to pound on that
Yeah.
lovely
But you
syrup.
could do what you can do. So
Yes. Okay.
let's
So
try
here we
it.
are. Yummy, yummy. Here we go for tummy. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. All right, let's do it.
Okay. And are your
Close
teeth broken or
No.
nice and soft? Okay. Mmm.
That's
Oh.
really good.
It is exactly what they said. Extra light and fluffy.
Hungry
Nice
Jack.
job.
Hungry Jack is no longer hungry. That's very good.
Right.
Great
Good
job.
job. Good job.
Mom.
Love you.
Love you too.
Good job.
Thanks. Bye. Make sure to check out our other videos and our upcoming ones. Bye.